everybody, this is Handy Mandy. Welcome back to my channel. Are you storm ready? This is hurricane season where I am, but wherever you are, you're going to be faced with the challenges of inclement weather. And when that happens, sometimes we're put in positions where we don't have power and prolonged power outages and things like that. So I want to make sure that you are reminded to go to your local home hardware, in our case Payzant home hardware, and stock up on the things that you're going to need. Among the things I got were some lighters, some heavy-duty flashlights, some rechargeable batteries that I'll be able to recharge, and a bright lantern. This is really cool. It has like 3 settings and then like a night light setting, but it also charges your devices. So this is going to be something that will be very helpful in a prolonged power outage. Some other tools that are helpful in a storm situation are generators, power bars, extension cords, and battery packs. All those things are really helpful. Butane and propane if you have a cooking stove or a barbecue. Just thinking ahead is really wise in any kind of stormy situation where you're potentially going to face power outages for hours or even days. So think ahead and try to help your family be prepared during this stormy season. If you have not yet hit subscribe on my channel, I would be delighted if you did that to help grow my channel. But make sure that your family is safe in this hurricane season.